Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is go to settings on our iPhone, and we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. See this little spinny thing under next to devices? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? So let's just open these up, and hopefully they're in pairing mode. These are in pairing mode. It should show up down here, okay? It's not showing up. The reason why it's not showing up is because I'm connected to a different phone. So I can manually put these in a pairing mode. Now to do that is, if you look down here, there's a button down here, okay? So I'm gonna press and hold, ready, set, go. Hold it and just wait till you see get like 3 different colors right there. Still holding, wait, there we go. Green, blue, red, green, blue, red, let go. Now it's back into pairing mode. And now you can see the Galaxy Buds 3 right there. So we can, it popped up. Let's just tap right there. Give it 1 second. And voila, we are now connected to the iPhone. Now, if you had issues parent connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.